Hello everyone, I thought I'd just do a quick video of these units. This is at our new fire station because we're moving out of our old one here soon. These are, I believe these two are 2023s and the back one is a 24. These are 2023s. So let's start on this one right here. This is a Comfort Maker Performance 17 SEER. It's got a 2-speed Copeland ZPS. All three of these units have it, and they're 17 SEER. Very good install, I'm not gonna lie. They did a pretty good job on this. I'll show the air handlers in another video, but these are all straight cool units. This one is a 5. These two are 5 tons. That one's a 4 ton. This one still has the caps taken off of it. I don't know if these are charged up all the way or what. Yep, this one is a 24 model, 17 SEER with a Copeland ZPS scroll compressor. And these right here are ICP Gemini, sort of CAS 121 is the model number. 10 ton straight cool air conditioners with the Copeland ZPS scroll compressor. See it down there. And I like that these guards are on here. That's real nice. Routed over here. Here's your disconnect. As I said, this is going to be off because these aren't ready to run yet. They did a pretty decent install on these. Little shit braze right there, but it's alright. They did a pretty good job doing these units though. I'm impressed. Here's your disconnects. Get a nice little shot of these units. And get a little shot of these units. There is supposed to be another mini split that's going to be in this general area. I don't know where it's going to be at yet. So yeah. Downstairs is occupied right now, so I guess I'll just go upstairs and show the upstairs. Here's the upstairs. Here's one of the 5 ton units. Here's its duct run. It's not completely done yet, but this is all meeting room. About this way and beyond is kitchen. So this is a 2-stage Comfort Maker furnace. 80%. And here's the coil for it. I don't know why it's still on foam blocks. They should move that over there, but whatever. There's your line set run. It goes up and over there. I'll go up there in just a sec. And yep, thank you for watching. The runs for the ducting on these aren't completely done yet. You've got a split right here that's probably going to come out with a T and go into the furnace there. And then another right there, and there's another one over there. And that should complete this floor. This is a 5 ton. And I'll go around here. This is a G80 110 BTU, 110,000 BTU furnace. And here's its cased coil. Oh, cool, they got, never mind. There's a little gap here I'm hoping that they fix. If they don't, that's gonna suck. Plug. Clean me, turn me on. And here's your 10-ton systems. So these are gonna go power the bay, which is out there, and they're gonna be, the air's gonna come out these windows right here and get blown around by those big ass fans. Yeah, this is a 10-ton with the Eco Blue or X Vane. This is what the ICP version of the Eco Blue is. Let's see if I can find a model number on this one. Oh, here's the other one. FAX 120, so yeah. And here's a 300,000 BTU Sterling duct heater that's gonna be going with it all. The inducer motor still needs to be hooked up, but I'm sure they'll do that later on because it's hot as hell right now. There's your line set runs. They go out to the condensers, which are outside that wall there and way down. And yep, that'll be all for now. Thank you for watching.